Hello everyone, welcome to the playlist of Training on Competitive Examination. In this video I will be discussing most important MCQ based on flag which is available in 8085 microprocessor. First of all, let's understand what do you mean by flag. You know that it's a flag register. There are 8 flag registers which are available in 8085 microprocessor, and out of 8 bits 5 bits are used, remaining 3 bits are used for the future expansion. That is one of the important fact. Now what do you mean by flag register? Actually the status of arithmetic and logical unit, in the last operation is available in the flag register. Okay, that's the purpose of flag register. And here I have written the importance of flag. Flag is basically a flip-flop. It's basically a 1-bit data used to store the information about the status of processor and the status of instruction executed most recently. That is why we are using the flag register in 8085 microprocessor. 5 flags are used. There are different flags name you can mention, like sign flag, zero flag, auxiliary carry flag, parity flag, and carry flag. I'll let you know the symbol also in the coming slide. And also you need to understand what do you mean by address latch enabled. So ALE, it is also known as address latch enabled, is a signal used to demultiplex the address and the data lines using an external latch. That's the importance of address latch enabled. It is used to enable the external latch. That's the importance of ALE. In this slide you need to understand why flags are required, how many flags are available, what's the total memory size of the flag register, and what do you mean by address latch enabled. I let you know the basic symbol of flag. How do you represent the each and every bits you can able to observe. So there are 8-bit data. Out of 8 bit 5 bits are used. Now this is your sign flag, and you can see it's a zero flag. This is actually called auxiliary carry flag. Then this is parity flag, and this will be the carry flag. Okay, now you have to understand what is the importance of each and every flag. Okay, so left part is actually known as the most significant bit, MSB, and the right part will be known as LSB. Clear? So now let me discuss each and every flag and its importance based on certain questions which can be expected in the competitive examination. So first of all, let me show you the particular questions, and kindly note down the correct answer. Afterwards you can verify. Okay, so these are the important questions. Kindly read and put down the proper answer. Don't take much more time because you will be having limited time in the competitive examination. So I am scrolling down each and individual questions. I request you to mark the proper answer. Okay, there are 10 questions. Now I am scrolling down. Let me move on to the first question for the discussion. So I am going to start the discussion. So please read the question carefully. Number of flag registers used in 8085 MUP. We already discussed. Actually there are 8. Okay, number of flag registers is actually 8. Number of useful bits in 8085 MUP. So this is a continuous question, actually continuation of the previous question. Actually out of 8 bit 5 bits are used. Okay, so please select option C, 5 bits. One more important term which is used in 8085 MUP, 4-bit number combination is also known as, so nibble, tribble, fibble, etc. The proper answer, the exact answer is actually nibble. You can whenever you are reading a MUP textbook, microprocessor textbook, you must have heard about the term nibble. So please select option A, first option. Question number 4. Please read the question number 4. The status of last operation of arithmetic and logical unit is available at among which register? Actually it's available in flag register. At the beginning I have discussed about this, why flag registers are required, what is the importance. Question number 5. Dash flag is used to check carry from most significant bit. Definitely I can go ahead with the carry flag. Carry flag is denoted by the letter CY. Both are capital, uppercase. Okay, so that's the importance of carry flag. For example, if carry is if it is 1, then we'll say that carry from MSB. If it is 0, then we'll say that there is no carry from most significant bit. Question number 6, please read out carefully. Which is the flag used to identify the error from sender to receiver using even number of 1? So which is the correct one? Actually, this is basically done with the help of parity flag. There are even parity and odd parity. If you have got the value 1, then it is even parity. If it is 0, then it is known as odd parity. So we can able to check the error from sender to receiver. You cannot able to open certain what I can say, some files you cannot open sometimes. That is the reason. Okay. So that is the importance. Parity flag. Now let me discuss question number 7. Dash flag helps to identify invalid BCD in the result. Invalid BCD operation. For example, BCD addition. Okay, so you can use auxiliary carry flag, AC, auxiliary carry. Please select option D. Option D is the correct answer. Let me discuss question number 8. If the ALU result is 0, dash flag enabled high. Okay, so this is related to 0 flag. In case of 0 flag, if the ALU operation is 0, then we can say that set is equal to 1. If ALU operation is equal to what I can say, if it is 0, okay, if the result is non-zero, then it will be the Z indicate 0. Once again I am going to repeat, if ALU operation value is equal to 0, set will be enabled, set will be putting as high, set will be displayed as high. If the result is non-zero, then set will be 0. So hope you understood. Now question number 9, please read out the question number 9. Dash flag helps to identify whether ALU result is either positive or negative. Of course, you can select first option, that is called a sign flag. Okay. Suppose, what is the importance of sign flag? If ALU result is positive number, sign flag is equal to 1. And in the opposite side, if ALU result is negative number, of course, the sign flag is equal to 0. Okay. So anyway, you can able to make out in hexadecimal operation. You can identify the sign also. Let me discuss the last question of this session. Dash technique is used to identify sign changes of BCD in arithmetic and logic operation, logic unit. 1s technique, complement technique, 2s complement technique, gray code, XS3 code. So here I can choose 2s complement. You know what is complement, right? 1s complement. So a 2s complement technique is used to identify the sign changes. Okay. Especially in the MSB bit. So these are the 10 important questions related to the flag register, and you can read the topic before answering these kind of questions. Okay, definitely you please note down the right answer in your diary or a notebook where you are preferably refer during the time of competitive examination. Let me know if you have any clarification. Finally, thanks for watching this video.